This, my friends, is my brand new Turbo 400. It is a reverse manual valve body, and it is going to make the Hellcat go fast.
MoeTheDriver.
I tricked you. This actually isn't for the Hellcat. This is for the 2JZ Tacoma. So let me tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll just move on, because I have to take it down to the builder. He wants it right now, yesterday actually. So I need to get this down there, and it's really hot in my garage, so let's just get this out of the way. Nice, cool color here. This is my favorite color, green, yellowish green. And of course, we got all the fixings and trimmings and all this stuff on this bad boy. I don't know much about transmission, so I'm just gonna say it's cool. And it is going down to the engine builder here soon, so we can get it on the engine. Of course, we do have this adapter for the bell housing, but I'm gonna show you guys something a little different on the bell housing in a bit. I just need to go get the bell housing. We don't need this anymore. All right, so this is what I have, a little update. We're about to get this thing going, take this down to the builder, and we're about to have some fun. For real, we're getting there. We're getting there, folks. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're getting there. The truck is coming together. I just can't show you what we're doing right now, but it's coming together. Holla!